Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make virgin sangria. First, select your favorite fresh fruits such as oranges, lemons, and a mix of berries. Next, decide on your liquid base. A good quality grape juice or sparkling cider works wonderfully. Finally, prepare a simple syrup to adjust the sweetness to your liking, ensuring a balanced and delicious drink for everyone. Now let's get those fruits ready. Thoroughly wash one orange and one lemon, then slice them into thin rounds. For berries, you'll want to halve or quarter about 1 cup of strawberries, depending on their size. Then, add about 1/2 cup each of fresh blueberries and raspberries to the mix. These vibrant fruits will infuse your sangria with incredible flavor and color. Time to bring it all together. Carefully place all your prepared fruits into a large pitcher. Next, pour in about 4 cups of your chosen base liquid, whether it's grape juice or sparkling cider. Then, add approximately 1/4 cup of simple syrup. Stir everything gently and taste. You can always add more syrup if you prefer a sweeter sangria. Chill for at least 2 hours. Once your virgin sangria has chilled for at least 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully, it's ready to serve. Pour it over ice into individual glasses, making sure each serving gets a good mix of the colorful fruit. This refreshing drink is perfect for any gathering, offering a delightful, non-alcoholic option. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.